In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp dashboard widget that shows changes over time. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in ClickUp to set up a clear, time-based view of your work so you can track trends like status changes, task counts, or progress across weeks and months. Start by heading to ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and sign into the correct workspace. If you work in multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the one that contains the tasks you want to analyze. It's also a good idea to make sure you have permission to view or edit dashboards, since some organizations restrict who can create them. If something looks off, a quick refresh or clearing filters later can save you time. Next, open the space that holds the projects you care about. In ClickUp, spaces are the top-level container for your work, so choosing the right one helps you focus your dashboard on the data that matters. If your team organizes work by department or product line, pick the space aligned to the trend you want to visualize. From there, open your board or list. A board groups tasks by columns like status, while a list provides a structured, table-like view. Either way, this is a great moment to confirm your data is dashboard-ready. Consistent statuses, assignees, and due dates make time-based charts far more accurate. If you already use custom fields, keep them tidy and standardized. Clean inputs lead to reliable outputs. You can apply a quick filter here to preview the subset of tasks you want to report on, which will help you decide how you'll want to filter the widget later. Now, click into the View controls. This is where you switch perspectives and confirm you're looking at the right source. Think of this step as framing your data. Understanding which folder, list, or entire space you plan to visualize will make selecting your widget's data source straightforward once you reach the dashboard area. Finally, open Dashboard. This is your hub for turning that underlying work into clear, time-based insights. Here you'll find options to add and configure widgets that show trends over time. Look for time series visualizations like line charts or progress-focused charts that can display daily or weekly changes. Select the relevant space, folder, or list as your data source, set a meaningful date range, and apply filters that match what you previewed earlier. Grouping by status or assignee can reveal patterns, and choosing a rolling window helps you focus on recent momentum. Give your widget a clear name, check the time zone and working days if your team uses them, and you're ready to monitor changes at a glance.